Join us as we go for a ride on Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts, one of our favorite rides at Universal Studios Florida. I'm Alex, and if you're watching this video and are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so you can join us for an endless summer of amazing fun and adventure. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Diagon Alley is located in Universal Studios Florida within the Universal Orlando Resort. The entire Diagon Alley is themed just after the Harry Potter movies, and you'll find a number of themed shops and eateries. These include the Leaky Cauldron Restaurant, Borgin & Burke's, Ollivander's Wand Shop, and Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. There are also several staged performances in Diagon Alley, and after our ride on Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts, you'll see some highlights from our favorite shows. Universal calls Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts a multi-dimensional thrill ride where you go on a tour with Bill Weasley deep into the vaults of Gringotts Bank. During your tour, you come across Harry, Hermione, and Ron, as well as Lord Voldemort, Bellatrix Lestrange, and a fire-breathing dragon, so your escape from the vault turns out to be an exciting adventure. Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts Bank is part roller coaster, part screen ride, and yes, it is in 3D, so you'll need to grab a pair of glasses that are provided for you. The queue starts out as you walk through the lobby of the bank. You will see that we will be in the line for the Universal Express Pass, so it's much quicker than the standby line, as the wait times can get a bit lengthy. Before the ride itself, you'll meet up with Bill Weasley and one of the goblins to talk about your tour of the subterranean vault.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen you since...
Won't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Anthony, if you don't mind, I'll join you on your tour. We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your cart.
Well, what are we talking about? Well, let's get rid of it. Now, listen to me. The passage to your left will take you to a pair of lifts. The lifts will take you down to the cart station. There you will board a cart for the journey to the vaults beneath the Gringotts. We'll see you down there.
After a quick elevator ride down, you board your ride vehicle and begin your tour. It's a bit dark on the ride, and with the 3D, our video is not as clear as some of our outdoor roller coasters, but it will still give you an excellent sense of what it's like to be on the ride itself.
Please, I need to connect to your car. The defenses have been set off. There must be imposters in Gringotts. Bellatrix.
Are these the imposters?
I don't think so, Madam Strange. I can't be sure.
Well, let's try and find out then.
Sorry about Bellatrix. We need to... Harry, what are you doing here? Get them out of here. There's going to be trouble.
They know we're imposters. They set off defenses against us.
Hey, Cal. Josh. They're dumb, but they're brutal.
I know you've seen Harry Potter. He was in your vault, Bellatrix.
I thought I got rid of you, Muggle-born. Where's Mother? Where did he go?
Perhaps a little dose of pain to help you remember.
Yes, tell us, or we'll destroy you!
We'll get you out of here!
But we go!
Here we go! Hang on!
We've got what we came for. Bill, take care of them. Good luck! Is everyone okay? Hope you still want to open an account? After all, it's the safest place on Earth, right?
What did you think about Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts Bank? We want to hear what you have to say, so leave us a comment below. Now, don't go anywhere, since you're going to want to see this show. If you're a Harry Potter fan, definitely stay tuned.
Together. The sky was rent with the first rain of sun.
Creepers from the garden beyond snaked through the pressing mass. The creepers twisted themselves around the first witch, Asher. She grasped the wrist of the second witch, Alfeda, who seized tight upon the robes of the third witch, Amata. And Amata became caught on the armor of a dismal-looking knight. The creepers tugged the three witches through the wall and the knight after them.
Asher and Alfeda were angry with Amata, who accidentally rocked along the night. Only one can bathe in the fountain. It will be hard enough to decide which apostate will be without adding another. And now, Sir Luckless, as the knight was known, observed that these were witches, and having no magic, nor anything that distinguished the non-magical man, he had no hope of leading the three women to the fountain. He therefore declared his intention of withdrawing outside the wall again.
Faint-heart! Julius sword knight and help the sweet Jago!
So, the three witches and the forlorn knight ventured forth into the enchanted garden, where rare herbs, fruits, and flowers grew in abundance. Finally, they reached the foot of the hill on which the fountain stood. There, wrapped around the base of the hill, was a monstrous white worm, bloated and blind. At their approach, it turned a foul face upon them and uttered the following words.
Pay me the proof of your pain.
Try though they might to move past the worm would not let them pass.
And Asher, despairing, began to weep.
The great worm placed its face upon hers and drank the tears from her cheeks. Satisfied, the worm slithered aside and disappeared from view.
The three witches and the knight began to climb the hill. Halfway up the steep slope, however, they came across words cut into the ground before them.
Pay me the fruit of your labors.
Sir Luckless took out his only coin and placed it upon the grassy hillside, but it rolled away and was lost. The three witches and the knight continued to climb, but though they walked for hours more, they advanced not a step. The summit came no nearer, and still the inscription lay at the earth before them. All were discouraged, except for Alfeda, who walked faster and harder than any of them.
Courage, friends, and do not yield!
She cried, wiping the sweat from her brow. As the drops fell, glittering onto the earth, the inscription blocking their path vanished, and they found that they were able to go upward once more. With the removal of this second obstacle, they hurried toward the summit as fast as they could, until at last they glimpsed the fountain! Glittering like crystal in the bower of flowers and trees. Before they could reach it, however, they came to a stream that ran around the hilltop, barring their way. In the depths of the clear water lay a smooth stone bearing the words,
Pay me the
witches and the night were able to pass at last to the summit of the hill. The fountain shimmered before them, set amidst herbs and flowers rarer and more beautiful than any they had yet seen. The sky burned ruby, and it was time to decide which of them would bathe. Before they could make their decision, frail Asher fell to the ground. Exhausted by their struggle to the summit, she was close to death. Altheda hastened to pick all those herbs she thought most helpful and pour the potion into Asher's mouth. At once, Asher recovered from her sickness and was able to stand.
I am cured. I have no need of the fountain. Let Altheda bathe.
But Altheda protested.
If I can cure this disease, I shall indulge plenty. Let a martyr bathe.
Sir Luckless bowed and gestured a martyr toward the fountain, but she shook her head. The stream had washed away all regret for her past lover.
Sir, you must bathe as a reward for all your chivalry. So the knight clanked forth in the last rays of the setting sun and bathed in the fountain of fair fortune. Astonished that he was chosen one of hundreds, giddy with his incredible luck, as the sun fell below the horizon, Sir Luckless emerged from the waters with the glory of his triumph upon him, and flung himself on his rusted armor at the feet of a martyr, who was the kindest and most beautiful woman he had ever beheld. Flushed with success, he begged for her hand and her heart, and Martha, no less delighted, realized that she had found a man worthy of them. The three witches and the knight set off down the hill together, and all four led long and happy lives, and none of them ever knew or suspected that the fountain's waters carried no enchantment at all. Ladies and gentlemen, the wizarding world is filled with tales of courage,
Gallantry.
friendship,
Hope and love. Bravo, Darby.
And now I'd like to perform a short monologue.
That was wonderful, Darby. But perhaps we should reserve your theatrical stylings for our next show. We must be off. Until next time, thank you, everyone.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe to our Endless Summer channel.